Welcome to this gorgeous architect-designed home nestled in the hills on 5 private acres. Enjoy beautiful views of its own meadow, barn, fenced pasture, and ponds. A long private drive leads to this private setting, including a cross-fenced pasture, a large cedar barn, and seasonal creek. A covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll discover a masterfully crafted home, including hardwood floors, built-ins, and vaulted ceilings. You'll find formal and informal spaces for entertaining, with oversized windows and custom blinds, providing abundant natural light. The updated kitchen features beautiful granite, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage space. From your spacious vaulted master suite, you can head out to your private deck for morning coffee or tea. Or relax and unwind in the master bath with a soaking tub. On the upper level, you'll find 3 more large bedrooms in this home of more than 3,100 square feet. Enjoy expansive decks and multiple outdoor seating areas where it's easy to connect with nature. The 48 by 60 foot cedar barn features a 36 by 48 foot arena, 6 to 8 stalls, an insulated shop, and a heated tack room. Ride horses for hours on miles of trails without ever crossing a road. Inquire about an adjacent 2.5 acres for extra space or a second home. An incredible home and property. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Tyler Lankheet with Premier Property Group.